just looking at reviews on the new Air Still. I think it's like a few £100. It's the one that does reflux, which to me is pointless because I love the taste of this stuff. I got my white sugar stuff there, I got my brown sugar stuff here, I got a little bucket of brown sugar stuff over there. I'm still playing with it. I'm still got garlic, wild garlic in there. Now, this is what you can make easily. I like 35% alcohol for spirits. You could make from a 25 litre batch 8 litres of spirits. Now, unless you are an alcoholic or you're doing it for commercial purposes, like selling it to people, then why would you want something bigger? This is the one thing. It's 2 points that nobody seems to mention when they do reviews on these things. I don't know if it's because I live in a country where it's not an issue, but in England, you can get in serious shit if you distill your own booze. They don't give a shit about terrorists, paedophiles, rapists. They do care if you fuck your tax man. So you get yourself a standard still. It's obvious it's a still. You can try, I'm a hippie, I'm distilling my herbs. Yeah, not if it stinks like a brothel. Now, with the Air Still, it doesn't look like a still. It looks like a slow cooker or just any other kitchen appliance. So that is the biggest bonus. That's the big bonus. You can have it in the kitchen. If someone does pop round, they're not going to know what it is unless they actually know already what it is. And it's perfect for someone who doesn't get pissed off all the time, who doesn't drink constantly. I have a sip in the morning, a couple of sips during the day, sip at night, because of the pain. That is all I do. I just have enough to take the edge off the pain. The fact that it tastes really nice, I mean, the white sugar stuff tastes nice. The brown sugar tastes a fucking load more nice. And because I'm not doing it commercially, if I ever get low, it's going to take me years to get through this as I sell it to someone, then I'll use brown again. Or I might experiment and try and get some higher grade brown or put some spices into it or something. But yeah, the biggest bonus for me is that it is a very discreet thing. And I can make spirits really cheap and really nice. And I know exactly what's gone into it. It's not like a lot of stuff you buy on the shelves where you don't know what they're using into it. If they're pissing in it, shitting in it, if they've got poison going into it. And let's face it, these are spirits you buy in the supermarket. Doesn't matter if it says British on the label. Doesn't matter if it's got a British flag. Or if it says made in Scotland. Like, I don't know. It is all made on the other side of the planet where it's dirt cheap with slave labour. No human rights, no animal rights, no hygiene. And then shipped over on bulk, en masse, and gets a British label slapped on it. So you don't even know what is in it. If you can go to the shops and buy yourself a pork joint with a Russian tattoo on it, then what do you think's in the vodka? Whereas making it yourself, you know exactly what's going into it because you put it in. So yeah, for somebody who's only doing it for personal consumption, it's perfect. I don't know how the hell I'm ever going to get through all of this, but I'm having a good fucking go. And I'm not going to piss about with my experiment with the garlic. I'm going to give that at least another couple of days because it's had 2 days now and it's already got a really nice smell coming off it. Just every now and again give it a little shake just to make sure it's not, just keep it covered. But it has got a nice garlicky smell coming off that. So yeah, nice to experiment.